Good morning to all. Myself Ramandeep Kaur and I am presently studying in plus 2 science in Government Senior Secondary Smart School Khalchia. Today I am speak on coronavirus. Coronavirus is an infectious disease caused by a new virus called coronavirus. It is also called COVID-19. Most of the people in the world are infected with COVID-19. The best way to prevent and slow down its transmission is to be well informed about COVID 19. COVID 19 spreads primarily through droplets of saliva and discharge from the nose when an infected people sneezes or coughs. At this time, there are no specific vaccine or treatment for COVID 19. COVID 19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. There are some common symptoms of COVID 19: fever, dry cough, and tiredness, and less common symptoms are diarrhea, aches and pains, sore throat. Also, there are some serious and harmful effects of COVID 19: difficulty in breathing, chest pain, or pressure. If you have some serious symptoms, so you should call your doctor and healthcare person. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. As it is an infectious disease, we should prevent its transmission. The best way to preventing its transmission is social distancing. That is why our government has announced lockdown in the whole country. To protect us from the virus, we should follow guidelines given by doctors and government. Wash your hands frequently with soap at least 20 seconds. Use sanitizer where soap is not available. Don't touch your eyes and face. Stay home and go out only in emergency. Although it is furious disease, but we can fight it together. Stay home and boost out our immunity. Take proteins, vitamin C, and hot water daily. Such home remedies can keep us safe. At last, I want to say stay home, stay safe. Thank you.